guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm David. Today we're gonna talk about something about this watch, and we are gonna replace the nylon strap. First of all, I've been wearing this watch around a week. I really like this watch because the dimensions of this watch, that's 36 centimeter, are really a great military style watch. I mean, very traditional kind of field watch. But there are some downsides I've mentioned before, such as the lume on this dot, not as great as I expected. So that's a little bit disappointing. And the slumbers, Arabic lumbers, not lumi bright. So it is easy to be read. On the daylight, but it's not loomed. So that's it. That's a downside. But there are some good things, like I mentioned before, such as the case back is the same color tone, same bead plastic. So that is upgrade for a Seiko 5 watch. And another thing I forgot to mention is here it got holes for on this lug. As you can see, the lug is also has certain curve that fits better and looks better. I think they really did listen to customers' opinions on this watch, so they improved this watch definitely. And the nylon strap, not as good as I expected. Such as, because I had the Bertucci, the field watch from the USA brand. They have really good nylon strap, very thick and tough, rugged. But this one is the quality is not. It's quite, I have to say, it's quite ordinary and not good as I expected. So I decided to replace this strap, and I personally prefer leather strap too. So I'm gonna put on the leather strap. Okay, now let's just okay, first of all, we use this little tools. You can use a stick or just a little. It does make it easier. Okay, another. Okay, now we just Okay, now as you can see, that is how it looks on my 6.3-inch wrist. Face grid. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed my video, please leave a comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.